Good afternoon, our Facebook friends. This is Paul Wallin again, senior partner at Wallin Klarich. A big case in the news these days is Bill Cosby facing sexual assault charges in the state of Pennsylvania. Many people, of course, are asking, what do we think about it, since we've handled so many people who are accused of these kind of crimes? I feel sorry for Mr. Cosby because he's 79 years old and he's having to endure obviously a very stressful situation. However, the evidence against him does appear to be pretty overwhelming. There has been allegations from 60 different women that he would drug them and then take advantage of them sexually. This particular alleged victim testified yesterday about that exact thing. Mr. Cosby is wise to have a very aggressive lawyer who's bringing up a lot of inconsistencies in the alleged victim's testimony. However, one of the things that Mr. Cosby will have to overcome is that when he was sued by this woman in civil court, in a deposition, he said under oath that he gave quaaludes to several women to, quote, relax them. That sounds pretty damaging and obviously will not help his case. Another woman also testified at the trial that he did something very similar. One good thing for Mr. Cosby is that the alleged victim in this case did not report it for a year and was somewhat inconsistent in the statement she made to the police versus her testimony. But it is an extremely serious charge, and many of us remember Mr. Cosby from the show that he had with a wonderful family. Well, it's a different life for him now, because if he's convicted of this crime, he's accused of 3 separate counts of sexual assault, he faces up to 30 years in prison, which of course would mean a life sentence for Mr. Cosby. So everyone should keep an open mind, because we're not in the courtroom, but from what we see so far, it looks bad for Mr. Cosby. Anyway, have a great day, and we'll talk about something next week, and be safe.